Ben from AGP Turbo. I'm one of the owners here at AGP. In today's episode, we're going to talk about what we see here. And if you've seen this before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. If you have a 2007.5 to 2018 Cummins 2500 or 3500, you've seen these before. You've likely taken one out, had it rebuilt, replaced. If you've got a couple 100,000 miles on this, you've probably done it twice. Anyway, here at AGP, we do offer this as a service item. This is a factory reman, all new guts, turbo, new actuator, bolted on your truck. What we've decided to do though is give an option to our customers that know how failure prone the VGT Turbo is. Had a VGT Turbo, you know that it's got great benefits. Quick spool up, gives you a little bit of a exhaust brake action. They're great little turbos. Well, they are failure prone. There's a lot of moving parts in them. So what we've done is we've created a direct replacement non-VGT turbo, which we're looking at over here. So we cast a turbine housing, we cast a compressor housing, we've machined it to be an absolute 100% direct fit from the factory VGT turbo. What you will lose is you will lose the ability to use an exhaust brake, but this does bolt in your truck. A lot less moving parts. This would be a great upgrade for someone who maybe has a couple 100,000 miles on your truck and you know you've already replaced this twice. You know how pricey these are. Expect another video when we actually do the official launch on that turbo.